Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox using two-factor authentication code step by step clearly. To authenticate with Dropbox using two-factor authentication codes, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, access your account settings. Look for the Security tab in the Settings menu. Click on the Security tab to see your authentication options. You should find an option for two-factor authentication. Click on the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter your current password for security verification. After entering your password, choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as via a mobile app or SMS. If you opt for a mobile app, download and install an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the Authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Dropbox setup page. If you choose SMS, enter your phone number and click Send to receive a verification code. Once you have your verification code from the Authenticator app or SMS, enter it in the provided field on the Dropbox page. Click on the Verify button to confirm your code. Dropbox will now show you backup codes for future access. Store these backup codes in a safe location. Once you've completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be activated for your account. Each time you log in next, you will need to enter a code from your chosen authentication method. This additional layer of security will help keep your Dropbox account safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.